Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're jumping straight in. First, make sure Windows updates are applied and then reboot so system files are consistent. Once done, open Task Manager and end any Roblox, Roblox Studio, or Microsoft Store processes. This prevents file locks. Next, run the built-in Microsoft Store Apps Troubleshooter to capture common install or app launch faults. Doing these steps ensures you're working from a clean state. They fix many permission and cache issues that prevent the app from starting. If the app still won't open, use Settings Apps Roblox to try Repair first. Repair preserves data while fixing binaries. If that fails, Reset clears app data and often resolves corrupt configurations. When Reset doesn't help, uninstall Roblox and Microsoft Store cache if needed, and then reinstall from the Microsoft Store. Right-click and run the installer as administrator to ensure proper permissions. These steps replace damaged files and registry entries, which is why reinstall often solves. For final troubleshooting, disable overlays, Discord, Xbox, and temporarily turn off antivirus or add Roblox to its exceptions because security software can block execution. Update GPU drivers and DirectX to prevent runtime crashes. If the app opens under a fresh Windows user account, the problem is a corrupted profile setting. Migrate your data. If everything else fails, collect the exact error codes and use them when contacting Roblox support. That targeted info speeds diagnosis and avoids redoing basic steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.